Tekana, he is giving us his PMP success story. He will be explaining in 5 minutes. He is giving you five mantra or maybe more than five mantra, which will be helping you how to prepare PMP exam effectively and how can you crack PMP exam in your first attempt. So Tekana, it's your turn now. Please go ahead, take your 5 minutes time, give some mantra so that people can use it in their PMP preparation and it will definitely help to crack PMP exam in their first attempt. So Tekana, please go ahead.
Thank you so much, Samir. Hi, everyone. It's a great privilege to be here. Thank you, Samir. My journey started over a year ago. I was kind of scared writing PMP, but my friends were all passing it. So, but I didn't ask them the salient question, which is how did you actually prepare for it? Well, when I looked at the PM book, then it was the 6th edition that was in vogue, and we knew that by December 31st, 2020, PM Book 6 will be out of the session. The new syllabus will be coming up on the 2nd of January 2021. I was kind of apprehensive, so I just rushed in and wrote the exams. But I wasn't successful. So one of my friends that passed introduced me to PMPMastery. When I spoke with Samir gave me some very encouraging word and said, "Don't worry, next time you write it, you're going to pass it." I thought it was like a prophet talking, laughing and easily. That is very easy peasy. So, but as you know, I kind of doubted it a little, but he joined me into this WhatsApp group, and I see every day we attempt minimum 10 to 15 questions every day. And he gave me loads of books to study. The books were not that voluminous like the PM book, summarized books. So this brought this consciousness into me. So to cut a long story short, last week, I was very fortunate. I wrote it and I scored it all above target. I got to a time after I did my mock exams, he was insisting, Tekana, I don't know what you are still waiting for. You are good to go. Go and pass your exams. And I even had another challenge at the time. PMI stopped me because I've stayed 1 year delayed in writing the exams. So he still guided me through it, how I got back my receipt money, they registered, and the next time I got it, I was just saying congratulations all over. So to me, I think you're with the best team. Samir is the best coach so far I've seen in PMP Mastery, and everyone that has passed through him, when he tells you, when you go through the roadmap and go through every of the steps he has given, especially this ones he has just taught now on end value analysis, end value management, analysis and calculations, they came out in the exams. And majorly, it's not just about the calculation, it's also understanding the interpretations of these calculations. Now you've gotten a result, what does it mean? How do you interpret them? What decisions can you make with these results? Yeah, that's what makes you a project manager. So you go into the exam thinking as a project manager, not like a student wanting to know. You are now wearing the shoes of a project manager. And all of this can only be gotten when you are with the right mentor, like Samir is, and it will change your mind frame. I heard him say before the log out a few minutes ago, you are going into the exam as a project manager. You may be a contractor now, you may be a worker now, you may be a staff now, it doesn't matter. Once you are sitting in that exam table for the 180 minutes, 220 and 180 questions, 230 minutes, you are sitting there as a project manager. So that's what you should go into the exam with, that mindset you should go into the exam with. And with Samir's guidance, all I believe will be easy peasy too for every one of us. Please, if you have any question, I'll be most delighted to assist. And I can tell you that the exam itself for the 230 minutes for 180 questions. And if you are very familiar with Samir's he gave us 6 mock exams, which I did over and over and over. Those mock exams were harder than the PMP exam itself. All of them are similar, it's just semantics. A little change, although we are not allowed to say the questions, but most of the questions are similar, just a little rephrasing and semantics. And I believe if you can pass the PMP mock exams, you're going to smash the PMP exam with ease. So please, if anyone has any question for a minute, my 5 minutes is almost up. Please, I can quickly throw 1 or 2 light into it before I go. Thank you.
Thank you, Tekana. I think it is massive information about your PMP journey, and it is boosting the confidence whoever is here, and it is making believe that if you did PMP, everyone here, because why they are here, because they are the action taker, they want to see themselves PMP in shortest possible time. So I'm very happy to hear about your PMP journey, and really
Thank
it's
you.
mind blowing. It is going to boost up the confidence to each and every participants here, and of course you have given some insights also, so that is most important. And the most important about Tegena is he has never give up mindset, never give up attitude. Guys, he did PMP and within 2 days he took enrollment in ACP. Can you believe? He took enrollment in ACP also, and he has started his ACP journey with me. So I'm really
Thank
happy,
you.
and it's my pleasure, guys, that I'm able to help you out, and also you have shown believe in me, trusted in me, and that's the reason you decided to continue your SCP journey with me. Thank you so much for that.